Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer operation to humidification operations for a gas liquid contact operations में જોઈશું આપણે in the previous lecture માં આપણે definitions અને some example જોઈ ગયા હતા. So now start the gas liquid contact operations જે most important છે GTO માં પૂછી શકાય છે. Direct contact of a gas with a pure liquid maybe have any several some purposes. આપણે જોવાના છે adiabatically operations. હવે એડિયાબેટિકલી ઓપરેશન્સમાં 3 પોઈન્ટ છે 4 પોઈન્ટ મેન ટુ સબમિટ એન્ડ ધ સ્પાર્ડ એન એડિયાબેટિક ઓપરેશન ઓલ્સો. The first one in adiabatic operation, cooling a liquid. Okay, cooling a liquid, and the discussion part is there. The cooling occurs by transfer of sensible heat and also by the evaporation process. So what is the evaporation? Simply લિક્વિડનું વેપરમાં થઈ જવું. ઓકે, evaporation part. The principal application is cooling of water by contact with atmospheric air, water cooling with a hot gas, direct contact to provide a non-fouling heat exchanger, which is very effective, providing the presence of some of the vapor of the liquid is not objectionable. Okay, now the humidifying a gas. This can be used for controlling the moisture content of air for drying, for example. This operation again repeated for a gas liquid contact operations part in a direct contact of a gas with a pure liquid may be any several some purposes. For adiabatic operation, the cooling a liquid, the cooling occurs by transfer of sensible heat and also by the evaporation, and the principal applications is cooling of water by the contact with the atmospheric air, water cooling part. Now the cooling of hot gases, direct contact to provide a non-fouling heat exchanger, which is very effective, providing the presence of some of the vapor of the liquid is not objectionable. The humidifying a gas, this can be used for controlling the moisture content of air for drying, for example. જોઈશું આપણે ડિટેલમાં. Now the dehumidifying of a gas, contact of a warm vapor gas mixture with a cold liquid results in a condensation part of the vapor, and there are some applications in air conditioning, recovery of solvent vapor from gases used in drying and the like, this formation. Okay, again repeated for dehumidifying of a gas basis. Contact of a warm vapor gas mixture with a cold liquid result in a condensation of the vapor. There are some applications in air conditioning, recovery of solvent vapor gas used in drying formation and the like. Okay, this formation non-adiabatic operations में જોઈશું આપણે for evaporative cooling and dehumidifying of a gas. હવે adiabatic operation અને non-adiabatic operations નો ડિફરન્સ જોયો આપણે. evaporating cooling માં જોઈશું a liquid or gas inside a pipe is cooled by water flowing in a film about the outside, the latter in turn being cooled by the direct contact with air. એર સાથે કોન્ટેક્ટમાં આવશે. And dehumidifying of a gas vapor mixture is brought into the contact with refrigerated pipes, and the vapor condense upon the pipes in the all formation. And although these some operations of this sort are simple in the sense, and that the mass transfer is a confined uh, to the gas phase. Okay, and there can be no mass transfer within the pure liquid. They are nevertheless complex owing to the large heat effect which accompany evaporation of condensation part. Okay, now the adiabatic operations. These are usually carried out in the sum of sort of packed tower, frequently with a counter current flow of gas and liquid. A general relationship will be developed. The first to be particular for specific operation. Okay. Now the fundamental relationship માં જોઈએ આપણે 7.9 ફિગરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા આપણે. We saw a tower for a unit cross section area and a mass balance for a substance. ઓકે, હવે સિમ્પલી તમારે આમાં ઇક્વેશન્સ તમારે યાદ રાખવાના રહેશે જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે. A lower part of the tower and an envelope this basis or L dash minus L1 is equal to G dash S in a bracket Y dash minus Y1 dash bracket is over. Now dl dash is equal to G dash S dy dash. Similarly, an enthalpy balance is L dash HL plus G dash S H1 dash is equal to L dash H HL1 plus GSH. This can be applied to the entire tower by putting subscript 2 on the unnumbered in the terms. First of all, they write down your notebook this equation. Okay, L dash minus L1 G dash S Y dash minus Y1 dash and the dl dash is equal to the gs dash y dash. Okay, L is equal to L dash minus L1 dash and y is equal to y dash minus y1 dash. And also similarly an enthalpy balancing equation જે આવશે તે આવ્યું છે h dash hl plus gs dash h1 dash is equal to h1 dash hl1 plus gs dash h dash. This can be applied to the entire tower by the putting subscript 2 on the unnumbered terms. The rate relationship are fairly complex and will be developed in the manners of on the reference this figure. Okay, this can be applied entire tower by the putting subscript 2 on the unbared terms. The rate relationship are fairly complex and will be developed in the manners of older. Refer to figure in this term which represent a section of the tower of differential height and so the liquid and gas flowing side by side separated by the gas liquid interface. The change in temperature, humidity for are all differential over this section. The interfacial surfaces of the section is ds. If the specific interfacial surface's perfect volume is not the same as the packing surfaces, since the volume of packaging per unit cross section dz, the ds is equal to adz, and the packaging is incompletely wetted by the liquid. The surface of the mass transfer, which is the liquid gas interface, will be smaller than that for a heat transfer, since that okay contact for this equation. Adiabatic operation. Now the derivation part. Transfer may be also occurs between the packaging base and the fluid. Note that the corresponding AV of this unit, the transfer rate, are then the mass as a mass rate per tower cross sectional area. Okay, this is all derivation part. The water cooling with air, without questions till all the term. Now the dehumidification water આપણે કુલિંગ ટાવર જોવાના છે ખાસ, જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. What is the part for equilibrium? આ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ છે તે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું. ઓકે, now the dehumidification air water vapor. In a warm vapor gas mixture is connected with a cold liquid so that the humidity of the gas is greater than the gas liquid interface. Vapor will be diffused toward the liquid and the gas will be dehumidified. In addition, sensible heat can be transferred as a result of the temperature differences within the system. For air water vapor mixture, L is equal to 1 connected with cold water the system, and the method of water cooling apply with only obvious modifications part. The operating line on the gas enthalpy liquid temperature graphics will be above the equilibrium curve. The driving force is H dash minus H dash star, and this equation 7.54 basis can be used with the driving force for all other system for which L is 1. The general method below must be used. This formation. Then a recirculating part. Okay, this is a special case in the liquid enters. Okay, recirculating liquid gas humidification part of the cooling. This is the special case where the liquid enter in the equipment, the adiabatic saturation part. Okay, this is a figure. Show completely. Recirculating liquid gas humidification cooling. Okay, this is a graphic is the temperature versus humidity. Now make up the all the term in the notification part. Okay, the development which follows applies to any liquid gas system for regardless of the Lewis number. In such a system, the temperature of the entire liquid will fall to the and remain at the adiabatic saturation temperature. The gas will be cooled and humidified following along the path of the adiabatic saturation curve in the psychrometric chart with the passes through the entering gas condition. Depending on the degree of contact, the gas will be approaches more or less costly equilibrium part with the liquid and gas. Over adiabatic saturation, some condition apply this theory. Okay, this suppose that the make up liquid enters at a adiabatic saturation temperature. Okay, all discussion part and this theory, the derivation part. ઓકે, તો નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોવાના છે ઇક્વિપમેન્ટના બેઝ પર કુલિંગ ટાવર, જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ થિયરી છે. ઓકે, this one. So thank you so much.